Hi everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this short Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Excel so it automatically opens the same files every single time you launch it. This is a small setup trick, but if you work in Excel daily, it can save you a surprising amount of time. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a folder for your auto-open files. Right now, I have 3 spreadsheets open. Let's imagine these are files I need every day. Instead of opening them manually one by one, we can tell Excel to open them automatically. First, minimize your Excel windows so you're back at your desktop. Now create a folder. You can do this anywhere on your computer. It doesn't have to be the desktop, but I'll show you the desktop because it's easy to see. Right-click on the desktop. Choose New, Folder. Give the folder a clear name. Next, place the Excel files you want to auto-open into this folder. Make sure you only include the Excel files you want to open every time Excel starts. Keep this folder clean so you're not loading unnecessary files each day. Tip: use shortcuts instead of moving shared files. If a file is shared with others, or kept in a specific location where moving it would cause problems, don't worry. You don't have to move the file. Instead, right-click the file. Choose Create Shortcut. Drag the shortcut into your folder. Shortcuts work just as well, and you won't disrupt how others access the file. So now we have a folder containing either the actual Excel files or shortcuts to those files. That's all we need for this part. Step 2. Tell Excel to open that folder automatically. Open Excel. It doesn't matter which workbook you have open. You can even use a blank workbook. Go to File, Options. A window opens with General Settings. On the left, choose Advanced. Scroll almost all the way to the bottom until you find the section that says, At Startup, open all files in. This box is where you'll tell Excel the exact location of that folder you created. To get your folder path, open the folder in File Explorer. Click the address bar, copy the full file path, paste it into the Excel box. Once the folder path is pasted in, click OK. Step 3. Test it. Close all open Excel windows so Excel is fully shut down. Now reopen Excel. And there they are. All 3 of my important spreadsheets open automatically and are ready to go. No extra clicking, no hunting for files. This saves a few seconds each day, but if you're in Excel constantly, those seconds really add up. Managing which files auto-open. If you ever want to change which files load automatically, just remove files from the folder. Or delete shortcuts from the folder. You're only deleting the shortcut, not the actual file. To add new files, simply drag them, or their shortcuts, into the folder, turning the auto-open feature off. If you decide you don't want any files to open automatically anymore, go back to File, Options, Advanced. Scroll to At Startup, open all files in. Delete the folder path. Click OK. Now Excel will open normally with no extra files. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope this little time-saving trick helps streamline your workflow. If you found this helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to click the bell so you're notified whenever I post a new tutorial. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.